Alright, we're working on the 1970 Buick Wildcat. I got the studded snow tire on the back, and I got the one on the other side. Looking good there. Looking good. So now we got studded snow tires all the way around on the car. And that's great. But when I started the car up, turns out I had the wrong oil filter on it. Now, I don't know how that came about, but it's the diameter of the gasket is smaller, so I'll have to get a different one. Anyway, I caught that right away because right after I start the car, I get out and check for leaks, and that's what I found. But I did arm roll the dash tonight too. Strange thing about this car, kind of really. No cracks in the dash, and it's been like that since 1970. I guess in that year they used better quality material. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. So there you have it for tonight. I almost got the winterization completed, but I guess I'll have to get me a different oil filter. Thank you very much, and have a nice day from Rudy Racing.